I'm Vanessa Ruck, the girl on a bike, and my journey to being a motorcycle rider, racer and adventurer started with a pretty life-changing accident back in 2014. It was a very normal Tuesday. I got on my bicycle and unfortunately a mile down the road a car coming the other way decided not to stop at that red light, and I had a 7-year recovery and I now have a reconstructed right shoulder and right hip. But through my journey and my recovery and my battle with mental and physical health, I discovered motorcycles, and now I'm very much addicted and in love with life on two wheels. I get to travel all around the world and I've put myself through some pretty terrifying races on my journey to try and become a better rider than I was yesterday. Now I have a range of different bikes, from rally bikes to road bikes to big adventure bikes, and all of them have CTEKs attached to them in the garage to help keep their performance ready for when I need them. But for me, it's all about getting out there, exploring the world, and enjoying the freedom and the adventure, the adrenaline, the fear, the buzz, everything that motorcycles bring to the world. So I'm Vanessa Ruck, the girl on a bike, and let's just get out there and make the most of every day.